So what do you think of this snow?
I love it. My dog loves it too. I've only been here about 2 years and I haven't seen that much snow here, so it's been a lot of fun and my dog loves running in it, so I'm very thankful for it.
Wonderful. Now, you're originally from the Midwest?
Yeah, I'm from Illinois.
Okay. So you're used to this kind of snow there?
Yes. Feels like home.